lights out, I'm your favorite. Too many ways, been in your place, there's delays. Add it up, plus signs, zeros on the table. Driving and vibing, bring the beat.
We're in the convenience store eating some ramen. We are at Incheon Airport and my mom's leaving back to California and I am going to Japan with Coco. It'll be me and Coco's second time going on travel abroad. Last time we went to the Philippines and we've been talking about going on another trip. Take a picture. Ham, egg, and lettuce sandwich. This actually looks really good though. This smells really good. Our bus doesn't come till like 50 minutes. Wait like an hour. Wow, this is still not there. I need a shower. I'm so oiled. Oh my god. Look at your gift. Oh, this place is huge. Oh my gosh, look at how big this bathroom is. Tub and shower and closet. Hello from Tokyo. We're staying at the Aoyama Grand Hotel. So our plan for day one is we're gonna go eat sukiyaki. Later tonight, we're going to Disney Sea. I've never been, but Coco wants to check out all the souvenir stores, so we're gonna go do that. For those who have followed the channel from the beginning, you will know Coco was my first content creator friend. We're so different in personalities, but we somehow complement each other so well. Adult friendships can be tough sometimes because we're all busy with our lives, but I'm so grateful for friendships that continue to be strong even with time and distance. Made it to Disneyland! Our hairs. I was not planning on getting anything here, but I might have to because it's so cold. I need like a hat and a scarf. I am back from 7-Eleven. This is what I got. I wanted to try this curry instant noodle. Got an onigiri. This is my vitamin C. I already had one today, but I'm gonna drink another one. Hello everyone! I wanted to pop on here and show you guys some new phone cases that I picked out from Casetify. The design is super cute, but most importantly, they're very durable. These are the impact cases, so even when you drop your phone, it's protected. perfectly fine. As you know, I'm on a month-long travel trip, which means I am lugging around all my camera equipment, laptops, bags, while also filming on my phone, which means I'm just dropping my phone everywhere I go. And I usually risk it all when it comes to my phone to get the shot, so it's a must-have for me to have a durable and protective phone case. These are the designs I picked out. I wanted something cute and colorful for the spring. This one's a pretty and elegant floral design, and this one's a quirky picnic design. It's cute and functional. These are definitely my favorite type of Casetify cases because it's still sleek and compact, but it still has the durability to them. I love this particular phone case so much. It's called the Stick It case, and this one is just made for content creators. It has 42 suction cups on them, and you can stick your phone on any smooth surface so you can easily capture the best angle for your content. They're reusable and never loses suction, and I highly recommend this to anyone who wants to get cool and creative shots for their content. You can go to casetify.com/Michelle Choi to see my top picks. Good morning, day 2 of Paris. My brain's not working. Day 2 of Tokyo. On our way to Satoyosuke Ginza. It's like this really popular udon place, and I wanted to go last time I was in Tokyo, but the line was way too long. So this is us rolled right out of bed. Rolled? I was dragged. She was dragged. Get ready with us! We just came back from udon, and where are we exploring today?
Yes, so we're gonna go shopping today. Check out some of the stores that I wanted to go to. We're gonna go out tonight, right? Who's that? Go to an izakaya, start there.
We have to go to Donkey.
Yeah, we have to go to Donkey Place.
Is it actually called Donkey?
Yeah, Donkey Hotel. What was that? Hansum.
Just having to get ready again. Just kidding, we're back home. Coco was wearing shoes that was very uncomfortable, so we came back home and we're just gonna digest a little bit and then go back out. Yeah, we'll just probably make our own drinks at the...
I was gonna make you a cocktail.
I've never made one, but I'll try. So, I don't know what this is. Put some of this in. Tonic water. Welcome to Michelle's cocktail bar. Okay, I don't know what this is.
What?
Oh,
It might be like
is it-
sake, right?
Is it gin?
Gin and tonic?
Yeah, actually, because this is tonic water.
Nice.
Okay.
What's going on here?
Would you like your straw?
적당히 해주세요. Whoa! Wait.
That's nothing.
No, that's so much!
For us too.
Ah, for both of us, okay.
Yeah, right?
I thought you were making one and one.
We don't have time for that. Do they have glasses in there? Oh! It's not a shaker. I was gonna be like, oh no! Or I could just keep going like this. Oh, this actually smells like a legit cocktail. Jan!
짠!
러브샷. 러브샷.
So bad. Oh, I told you that was too much.
Oh.
Wow.
I
Dude, that's like just mixing.
What's going on?
Oh yes. We're good.
Oh my gosh. We were just recommended to go to this like one music lounge,
2 places actually.
but we got rejected because we didn't have money for the entrance fee, and we've been just walking around aimlessly for like an hour because neither one of us have yen on us. But I had $100 cash in USD, and we were just waiting for someone to hopefully
Use the ATM machine.
use the ATM machine at the convenience store, and oh my god! Round 2. Please be open.
This one looks cool.
Where are we going?
Ginza.
We're gonna eat sushi. This is $12. This is $8. Sounds crazy. Successful shopping trip. Wow. So crispy. We're in Shibuya. And we are going to Donkey Hotel. Never been. But it sounds like something I would really like. Wow.
Mega.
Oh.
It's gonna be crazy. Are you ready?
Yes. Oh my gosh. Oh, that was intense.
How's the heat level? Too spicy?
Yeah, but like I felt sick when I got.